Today, we're stepping inside one of the most talked about full-size SUVs, emerging from China's rapidly evolving automotive world. This is the 2026 Zeekr 9X, a bold, electrified, and technologically advanced SUV that's challenging the global premium market. At first glance, the Zeekr 9X makes a statement. It's big, it's powerful, and it's designed with a modern aesthetic language that blends minimalism with futuristic sophistication. Its sharp LED lighting, clean body lines, and aggressive stance immediately communicate one thing. This SUV wants to compete with giants like the BMW X7, Mercedes GLS, and even luxury electric newcomers. A new era of hybrid power. Under the hood, the 2026 Zeekr 9X, Zeekr equips this SUV with a 2.0-liter turbo engine paired with multiple electric motors, delivering astonishing total output figures that climb past 1,000 horsepower in its top configuration. Yes, you heard that right. A full-size SUV pushing hypercar territory. With this setup, the 9X can launch from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just about 3.1 seconds. That's faster than many sports sedans, and this is a 6-seat family luxury vehicle. When it comes to electric range, Zeekr takes practicality seriously. Depending on the battery pack, the 9X offers around 220 to 380 kilometers of pure electric driving on the CLTC cycle. Perfect for city commutes or daily tasks without using any fuel. Step inside, and the Zeekr 9X welcomes you into a world of premium craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology. You're greeted by a floating dual 16-inch screen setup, a 47-inch augmented reality head-up display. The 9X uses high-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and an elegant layout that truly feels premium. In the second row, you'll find captain's chairs with heating, ventilation, and massage functions, designed for passengers who expect first-class comfort. There's also a rear 17-inch entertainment screen. In China, the Zeekr 9X starts around $64,000, a competitive price considering its luxury build, massive power, and premium features. So, is the 2026 Zeekr 9X the next big player in luxury SUVs? With its powerful hybrid system, futuristic interior, advanced tech, and competitive pricing, it's easy to see why this vehicle has captured so much attention. If you're excited for more automotive deep dives, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.